the test track's 1,500 metres long. When you've got something at a track like this that long, the amount of components involved is also quite staggering as well. So there are over 1,500 rail supports or sleepers involved in the track, and over 8,000 nuts and bolts holding the track in position as well. Not to mention the over 8,000 bolts holding the sleepers in position.
The long test track is an asset that has required a huge amount of engineering precision. We're talking millimetres to be able to do alignment, which is imperative when we've got payloads, significant payloads coming down the track at Mach 3 velocity. Long test track has been in existence since 1953, with various different iterations coming all the way up to 2013.
So the customers come to use long test track predominantly so they can test their test items in a controlled environment and in a controlled experiment where the variables are kept to a minimum. It gives us a real good opportunity to control the velocity to what the customer wants and to control the impact angle and the impact condition. We do this for numerous things, so whether they're military in purpose or for some civilian commercial entities as well. And at QinetiQ as well, we've also got access to state-of-the-art technology to record all of the events that happen during these trials, whether that's through high-speed digital video and different types of instrumentation like blast gauges. On top of that, we've got our own engineers who fabricate a lot of the structures and the vehicles that go on the track or sit at the end of the track. Safety is of paramount importance to us in QinetiQ, and we go through a rigorous set of safety checks and reviews and panels that we have to present to what the plan is, why it's safe, and how we're going to conduct it.
When we started looking at the project, it was clear from the surveys that we did at the start that the track needed much more work than we first anticipated.
It's a very unique facility. It's unique within the United Kingdom, and it's one of very few in the world. It provides the UK with a sovereign capability to test a variety of items at up to Mach 3.
And charging the firing system in 3, 2, 1, now.
Various different QinetiQ SMEs, subject matter experts, looking through this. We've had engineering, we've had program, we've had the team down at Pendine, we've had safety, and all of these people have come together to collaborate and ensure that we can have the best possible facility back to our customers. I'm incredibly proud of the team that we've had here at QinetiQ. There are so many people that have played their part, and the collaboration that we've had pan-function has been outstanding.
Stand by all stations to fire on Central 9 range. Trial 1Z037.
So the area surrounding the test track is a treble SI, so a site of special scientific interest, mainly due to the rare flora and fauna that can be found on the track. It is only present in Pendine, I think one other location in the UK.
Instrumentation, could you start a 6-second countdown, please?
It's quite a large fixed asset in itself that takes a lot of looking after, and we've got a strict maintenance regime to make sure now that we sustain it into the future.
Not only for our MOD customers or NATO colleagues, but also their allies as well.
Yeah, and so we're really excited to welcome our customers back onto the long test track to conduct more trials. Mae'n gyffrous iawn I ni cael croesawu ein cwsmeriaid nôl I Pentowyn I wneud trials gyda'i gilydd nawr dros y blwyddyn nesaf.